In this video, we'll demonstrate how to use the device grouping feature in SupportAssist Enterprise. SupportAssist Enterprise has two predefined device groups, Default and Staging. These device groups help in managing the devices that you add in SupportAssist Enterprise. Depending on your requirement, you can also create custom device groups to manage certain devices as a group. Now, let's see how to create a custom device group. To begin, go to Devices and then click Manage Device Groups. Then, click Create Group. On the Groups and Contact Information page, in the Group Details section, type the group name and a description for the group. If you want to use the contact information provided in the Settings Contact Information page, click the appropriate link. Next, select the type of contact, and in the Contact Information section, type the first name, last name, phone number, alternative phone number, and email address in the appropriate fields. Select the preferred contact method, preferred contact hours, and time zone. Click Next. The Setup Parts Dispatch Preferences page is displayed. If you wish to have parts dispatched for the provided contact and shipping address, then select I agree to have parts dispatched to the following contact and shipping address. Next, select Parts Dispatch Only if you want only the replacement part to be dispatched to your address, or select Parts Dispatch with On-Site Service if you want to have a technician visit your site and replace the dispatched hardware component. If you want to use the contact information provided in the Group and Contact Information page, click the appropriate link. Otherwise, enter the shipping address, city, and postal code in the appropriate fields. Select the preferred contact hours during which you want Dell to contact you, and then select the time zone. Also, you can type any specific dispatch-related information in the Dispatch Notes field. Note that if a device is moved to a different location, ensure that the dispatch preferences and shipping information are updated. Click Create. The device group that you created is displayed in the Device Groups page. Similarly, let's create another device group, named Admin B. Now you can assign devices to these groups based on your preferences. First, select a device group, and in the Actions list, select Manage Devices. Then, select Devices in the Ungroup Devices pane, and click the Include button. The selected devices are now moved to the Devices in Current Group pane. Click Save to finish. Similarly, let's assign devices to the other device group. When you go to the Devices page, you will notice the two groups listed in the Refine By pane. To view the devices in the group, select the group. You can now select one or more groups to view the devices in those groups. Next, let's see how you can edit a device group. You can view or update the contact information, preferred contact method and time, and the parts dispatch information of a device group based on your preferences. To begin, select the device group, and in the Actions list, select Edit Group, and then update the information. After you have updated the group details and the dispatch preferences of the group, click Update. Finally, we'll see how to delete a device group. First, select a device group that you want to delete and click Delete. And in the Delete Device Group window, click Yes. For more information about SupportAssist Enterprise, visit dell.com/supportassist.